Are you ready to say goodbye to your Gmail account? In this video, I'll show you how to delete it permanently. I'll walk you through the steps of deleting your Gmail account from Google's services. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up any web browser and go to google.com. So now what you want to do next is sign in to your Google account using your email address and password. Once you've signed in, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on this button. Manage your Google account. After that, tap where it says Data and Privacy. And then scroll down to the very bottom. So now you'll see an option called Delete your Google account. Delete your entire account and data. So go ahead and tap on that. And then just enter the password of your Google account and tap Next. After that, it will show you this page. So you can tap over here to download your data before you delete your account. And then, to get a better understanding of what's going to happen next, you can just scroll down and read all of these. Once you've read these things, scroll down to the very bottom and then put a check mark next to these two empty boxes. And then simply tap on the Delete Account button over here to simply delete your Google account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.